The Earth actually has a heartbeat. Yeah, you definitely didn't know. The heartbeat is called the Earth's hum. That's a constant low-frequency vibration happening literally all the time. You can't hear it, but scientists can detect it using sensitive instruments like a seismometer, also used for measuring earthquakes and volcanic activity. The vibration is caused by ocean waves interacting with the seafloor and the planet itself. So right now, the Earth is quietly vibrating slowly, just like an heart. Beats beneath you. Follow for more hidden facts about our planet.